Hello everybody, it's Coach K with major2career.org. If you're new, thank you so much for watching. I decided to start this YouTube channel as a way to help professionals make those connections between major to career. Because let's admit it, it's sometimes often easier to select the major, but when it comes to knowing exactly what to do with it when you graduate, that can be actually very challenging. So the hope is that this channel will be able to provide you that information so that you can be able to strategize for success. In each and every video, I try to incorporate my over 13 years of higher education experience from 3 different institutions, one of them a STEM institution, to help you strategize for success. Today, we're going to talk about that topic that many of you may experience. I experienced this a lot in my career, which is how can you convince your parents that your major is the right choice? If your parents don't like what you're majoring in, stay tuned. The first tip I have for you if you are pursuing a major that your parents don't like or don't approve is to work with your academic advisor at your institution and lay out the 4-year plan. You know, a lot of parents don't know how education has evolved in this day and age. And so if you take the time to really share what you're learning in the foundation courses, so about 30 to 33 credit hours are dedicated towards the degree, right? And then you want to tell them a little bit about the other options you have, which is the opportunity to perhaps minor, double minor, maybe perhaps pursue a double major as a way to supplement what it is that you're learning. And these minors and your ability to pursue a dual degree or a double major are effective ways to leverage you in the marketplace. And so work with your advisor to be able to strategize strategically to help you leverage you as you're pursuing these particular opportunities. And then let's not forget to really spend some time to also talk about your grad plan, so exactly when you're going to get done. And then most important, to really tie in when you're going to do those internships with the help of your career center. And so I find that when you do the research and present this information to your parents, which is really what we do in advising, your parents are able to see that you've done the work and that maybe there will be a return on investment. The second tip I have for you is make sure that you talk about the internships you're going to be pursuing. It is mandatory that you pursue an internship at least in your junior year. That way you can leverage yourself in the marketplace in the hopes that they hire you after graduation. This is where you can talk to your school's career center. So make sure you have that information ready for your parents, because if they see the different employers that have recruited people within your major, then it's an effective way to really showcase that. And don't forget about the salaries as well. Parents like to see a return on investment. So let them know exactly what those opportunities have paid after the student has been able to intern and prove themselves. And the last tip I have for you is make sure that you provide your parents the list of all the jobs that people in your institution have pursued with the major and the salary information. Your school's career center will be able to have that information also. It's very important because remember, you're really trying to tie those pieces together, because they may not be able to see that a committed passion for what it is that you want to do may end up being successful. So it's your job to be able to convince them. So make sure that you prepare and have that information ready, and so you can show them that return on investment. And better yet, you can maybe even tell them a little bit about how there's growth in the job and how you'll be able to make even more as the years pass by. And so folks, hopefully those tips are useful in terms of how you can strategically work with your parents to convince them that the major that you're choosing is really the right fit for you. Remember, I am here to help you do that. If you would like, set up a consultation with me. Just send me an email, coachk@major2career. Remember, I am here for you. So if you do need to set up a consultation with me to be able to help you strategize for success, I'm happy to help. Contact me and I'll put my email in the information bar below, and that way you can reach out to me to be able to strategize for success. But better yet, I really encourage you to meet with your school's academic advisor and your school's career counselor to be able to get all the information that you need to be able to really strategize for success and showcase that information so that your parents can see that you are making the right decision, pursuing something you're passionate about, and exactly where it's going to lead you, at least when it comes to that entry level position. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. And please don't forget to like this video if you like this work. If you have any questions about what you'd like me to cover when it comes to your academic and career journey, please let me know. Leave a comment below. Until my next video, bye.